Hey guys, this is Rio Maki and welcome to my show. Today, andito tayo sa ating sponsor again, ang Karaoke Music Lounge. And itong mga co-owners natin. And kung kayo ay bago sa ating channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, and you can also follow me on my other social media, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and kung ano-ano pa. Okay.
Hi!
Hi! Sige. Long time no see. Okay, this is like biglaan. Supposedly, trio ang ating guest. And we have a nice topic, pero kulang ang isa dahil medyo may sakit, ang ating Doremi
Yes.
ng Toronto. So, we changed the topic on the spot. So, naisip ko bigla on the way here is about risk-taking. Kung ano-ano, meron pala tayong tatlong camera. Test, hello, test. This is a risk, what I'm doing right now with the 3 camera. It can be shallow or it can be so deep or araw-araw may mga risk din tayong ginagawa no? Tsaka, yeah, let's get it started. I want to introduce my guest for today. Unang-una, ang nakalala ko nung una sa grupo nila ay si Ate G, Ate Glenda, and then si Ate Michelle. Tell us about yourself.
Question.
Sige, what's your favorite ulam?
Ang hirap nun marami akong
For today
pero, Bicol Express.
Bicol Express. Parang may kasama bola yan.
Gusto ko talaga yan.
Bicol Express. Sige. Ikaw, ano pa ba itong ulam?
Dinuguan.
Dinuguan. Ayaw ni Ryan yan.
Oo nga, sabi niya nga.
But he tried it. Okay. Okay, so, again, ito ang place natin, Karaoke Music Lounge, co-owner. Tell us about this business.
Yeah, so itong business na ito it's for music lovers na binuo namin ng summer of 2023.
Okay.
Hindi siya yung regular na karaoke bar. We don't serve liquor and all our singers who come here, they don't need the power of alcohol to be confident on stage, to sing on stage. So it's gonna be almost a year since we put up this business, and we've reached a lot of people since then. But of course, we still want to promote the spread the word that this place exists. It's a unique karaoke place.
And the address and telephone number is on your screen right now. You can also follow them on their Instagram, Facebook, and their TikTok. And support ang ating small business Filipino entrepreneurs sa Toronto.
Yay!
Yes.
Thank you.
And why I like about this place, ako kasi hindi ako umiinom. I don't need alcohol to stay up until 2 o'clock and enjoy the night. And alcohol-free, paminsan-minsan lang, but I don't need that to have fun. So like, hindi lahat ng tao kailangan uminom para magsaya. And, that's the market.
Yes.
And I think that's like one big risk.
Yes.
Ganda, di ba? It's super big risk kasi when you think of karaoke place, what do you have in mind?
Yeah, drinking,
food.
big space, may mga pulutan.
Pulutan, alak-alak, gano'n. Ano naman ang tama nyo? Bakit? Ba't naisip nyo walang alak? Kasi parang very big risk na walang alak at walang hot food. But you have some drinks here. But
yes,
why that risk?
Meron ka.
For me, because kasi hindi ako umiinom. Hindi ako sanay na mga taong umiinom.
Sa paligid mo?
Parang medyo concern ako doon.
Conservative?
Hindi ko sure. Pero nakakasalamuhan naman ako sa umiinom. Pero ewan ko, may something.
May something kapag may umiinom. You feel uncomfortable. May ganun side din ako. Hindi ako super comfortable kapag makapaligid ay drunk, right? And, okay, so big risk.
Yes, it is. I mean, sa akin naman, of course, if they want to get liquor license pagka-private, we offer that. Kaya lang sa akin, 3 kaming babae. Sa gabi, I feel maliit lang naman yung space namin. Like I said, we wanted to offer something na unique na hindi mo makikita anywhere else, 'di ba? Na iniisip ko na nandito kami hanggang 11 o'clock, sometimes 12, na 3 kaming babae, and then if we serve liquor, then we'll need bouncers, something like that, diba, to protect us, diba? So parang extra cost pa siya, and it's a small space that we have.
Minsan dito
Pwede
bouncer ka.
naman.
May free ako na ako ang bouncer.
Sino? Ikaw ba?
Pag libre.
No, it's true kasi it's nasa masyad ba.
Yeah.
But then, when we opened this, we didn't know that we're gonna meet kind people like
Right.
you
Yeah,
anyways,
yeah.
right? So, at saka yun nga, walang ganito eh. I feel like it's unique.
Yeah.
Kasi walang ganito na pupunta ka just to sing and enjoy. It's just pure singing for the love of it. Hindi dahil gusto mong kumain and then free yung ano. So, it's the opposite. Yung iba, libre yung karaoke, and then karaoke and then basta bibili ka lang ng pagkain sa kanila, and sometimes gusto rin namin maging affordable, right? Sa mga
affordable means $20 unlimited song, and also you have a room for $15 for 3 hours
for 3
per person.
hours yung for private yung small mini lounge namin. So yun yung tapos nagbibigay din kami ng discount sa mga isa pa. When we were putting this up, ang isa pa namin na iniisip na customer ay yung mga international students, yung mga galing ng Pilipinas na, they were exposed to this kind of place, pero mahal. So at least, we give them a discount kasi, we can relate to what they're going through right now, being immigrants sa Canada, mga new immigrants sila, diba? So pinagdaanan natin yan. So that's one of the things too. And also the other thing is, even when the students go to karaoke, sorry, I could go on and on.
Okay lang, wala. Pag podcast interview, wala tayong time, wala tayong limit.
Isa pa, yung family, mga parents, they can feel secure na nandito yung mga bata just having fun na walang liquor. At isa pang ino-offer namin last na kaming tatlo, yung service namin.
Yes.
Kasi pareho kami ng wavelength, pareho kami ng goal dito sa business na to, na pagpunta nyo dito, VIP kayo. VIP stage. VIP. Kahit anong klaseng tao ka, kahit Pilipino ka o ibang lahi ka, we welcome you with open arms. Kaming tatlo.
That's a good thing. And also, what's unique about this place is, hindi staff yung nandito, yung mismong owners. So, like, they really care. They really care about your experience dito. So, kung sira yung mic, edi ayusin niyo. Wala nang mic dyan, don't worry. Wala tayong kumbaga, we have the experts in the house. They know how to fix it. So, that's the good thing. And that's what I enjoy as well sa place na to. Okay, getting outside of the business. Let's talk about risk. Ano yung sa buhay nyo, for the last, I don't know, maganda ba ito number of years? Ano sa tingin nyo yung isa sa pinakamalaking risk na nagawa nyo sa buhay?
Ikaw muna or ako?
Ikaw na lang.
Isipin mo muna yung sagot mo.
Sige, pag-isipan mo. And then, kopyahin mo na lang din.
Yung pang Miss Universe.
I think ako, for biggest risk, yung pagpunta sa Canada. Because I wasn't young when I came here. Usually, pagka 30 ka na, alam mo na yung gusto mo sa buhay. I mean, I had a job there. I came here only to come with my mom. Kasi my sister, Ite, you met her. She sponsored my mom to come here as a tourist. But then she needed a companion because siya, a senior citizen. So it was supposed to be my dad, but then my dad didn't want to come, so then I ended up going with my mom. So my biggest risk is coming here and then staying because we were on a tourist visa. It's just for supposedly 6 months lang kami. But then I like parang it opened a lot of opportunities for me. At saka yung my mind too, because I come from a very conservative family na lahat by the books and lahat. My dad was very protective, tsaka masyadong strict.
Okay.
Diba? So coming here, it's a big world, and then it's a culture shock kasi doon sa Pilipinas, sheltered tayo, di ba?
Bawal magkulay ng buhok doon.
Oo, yan, pwede ito. They'll frown upon you, like yung mga lolo-lola, di ba? And recently lang naman to because of the age. Diba? Anyway, so pagpunta ko dito, hindi ko akala ko, Canada. Pero hindi ko alam na matututo ako maglinis ng bahay, na yung ibang bahay, hindi yung amin, yung para magkaroon ng pera at maging nanny, ganyan. So it was a big risk. It was a big change culture shock.
Mhm.
But I wanted to stay. So I fell in love with the people and then yung city. Yung, I wish hindi ganun ka-extreme yung weather. But
Yes.
yung
Lang.
culture, masyadong multicultural ang Canada. Especially Toronto. So I fell in love. And then I took the risk. And then it paid off. And did na ako, 20 years later, I have a husband and a son. So
Yes.
settled
Okay.
na. And I have a stable job that I love.
So maraming magandang result ang risk sa pagpunta sa Canada.
Yes.
What about you, Miss Kat? Miss Michelle?
The spotlight is on you.
Diyos ko po, Lord. Parang mas masarap makinig kaysa magsalita. Hindi ako sanay magsalita. Kasi sa aming tatlo, ako yung mas konti ang sinasabi.
Ikaw ang
Hindi ako malaldal.
Okay.
Madaldal ako sa kwela.
Pag sa
pero
camera, hindi siya
So, ang risk na ginawa ko ay pagpunta rin dito sa Canada. Well, actually,
Gaya-gaya.
sa ngayon risky pa rin.
Okay.
Kasi dumating ako dito as an international student. So, syempre, nakakaedad na rin. Tapos maganda naman yung position ko sa UAE. Maganda naman yung income ko doon dahil
At ilang taon ka na sa UAE?
15 years.
15
Yeah,
years.
tsaka maganda yung company na
Napasukan mo doon. Yeah.
pasukan ko doon. Tapos
Oo nga, balita ko nakakapag-business class ka lagi.
Ayun, at
Wow.
one time from business, in-upgrade pa nila ako to the highest level. Very
Oo,
nice.
so, I mean, kailan ako
Sarap,
makaka-experience
I've
ng
never.
business class? Like, this girl, kailangan
Emirates pa siya.
pahawa nga ng
Oh my
business class dyan.
Kaso, yun nga. So, feeling ko, masyado na akong blessed doon. Kaso nga lang, iniisip ko, ang future ko, single ako, tapos wala pa akong asawa. Siyempre, dahil single nga ako, di ba? Tapos, syempre, yun, hindi, lutang na single.
Lutang na single.
Sige. Kaya masyado ba kulitong natin may tama? hindi ako ma-relate.
Alright. Nasulat ko. Just Lord.
Sige.
So, tapos, ayun na nga. Nasa na ako?
Sa UAE.
Sa UAE. So, inisip ko,
Single ka.
nagkakaedad na ako, tapos single pa ako. So, anong gagawin ko sa future? Paano pag yung magre-retire na ako, hindi naman ako ma-absorb ng Dubai?
Dahil wala silang PR.
Wala silang PR. So, papatalsikin ka din.
Back to Philippines.
Back to Philippines. Anong gagawin ko sa Philippines? Ano? So, isip ako, wala. So, sabi ko, may isa pa akong kapatid na babae na kung saan close ako. Sa 5 magkakapatid, kami talaga yung nagko-confide.
Okay.
So, kami talaga yung close. So, sabi ko, alagaan mo ako dyan.
Sige.
Pagdating mo, inalagaan ka naman.
Inalagaan nila akong to. Gusto ko nga umalis, kaso ayaw pa nila. Pero baka gusto rin nila ako paris.
Sige, tama pa.
Okay yun, nakakaiyak.
Sige, iyak mo yan.
Okay, so,
Nasingahan
ay na. So punta ako dito, sabi ko, sige ate. Kasi dati naman, meron na, nag-apply din kami ng ate ko for PR. So nakuha ko, first, yon. Kaso nga lang, kakadating ko lang sa Dubai. So nag-enjoy ako. So pinapag-exam nila ako ng IELTS. Kaso sabi ko, ako yung ko rito. So sinulatan ko yung consultant na hindi ko na ipo-pursue. Nauna pa nga ako naka-receive. So sabi ko, hindi ko na ipo-pursue. So si ate na-receive niya, pinursue niya, nag-take siya ng IELTS, tapos na siya, sakto, may pamilya na siya. Tapos ngayon, bigla ko naisip, at tanga-tanga ko, dahil ko talaga matangahan sa buhay, ganon.
Sorry.
So, yun. So, ayun sabi ko, sige, try ko mag-international student. Tapos, sa awa ng Diyos,
Anong course yun?
International business.
And you have to pay like 3 times of the tuition fee.
Oo.
Which is a big risk.
Sobrang risky.
Kasi nag-ipon ka eh. Like, yung ipon mo ba, at that time nung nasa UAE ka, nag-iipon ka, what was the plan for your saving? Is this like to go back to Philippines and then...
Basta may plan A, plan B ako.
Okay.
Tapos ang kagandahan, bago ako mag-decide nito, kasi yung parents ko rin medyo, hindi rin, dahil medyo ako yung tumutulong ng konti sa family.
Yeah, financially.
So, financially. So, ang ginawa ko, nag-set ako ng plan. Okay, magawa ko ng investment doon para merong monthly magulang ko.
Okay.
Pag wala ako.
Okay.
So, nagawa ko naman yon. So, tsaka ako nagpaalam na ganito na yung gagawin ko. Kaya sila pumayag kasi
Mm.
may dumadating sa
Mm.
nakakatulong ako kahit na nandito ako.
Okay.
Ayun, tapos iyak na ako.
Iyak mo yan.
May tissue tayo.
Iyak mo yan para marami tayong viewers.
Pwede naman, oo nga, pwede naman
Just kidding.
umiyak. No? Okay lang.
Ayun.
Para ano,
Raw.
So pumunta ako dito, sobrang pa risky kasi ang kwento nun, COVID yun.
oh,
So
COVID,
2020 mismo.
Oo. Tapos, edi na, tawag dito, na-approve yung international
Student visa.
student ko. Tapos, nag-resign ako Feb. Sabi ko, alis na ako ng March kasi mag-start yung klase ko. Kaso nga, hindi ako makalipad dahil
Lockdown.
wala, sarado. So sabi ng boss ko, i-rerip niya daw yung resignation ko. Hintayin natin hanggang kung kailan ako pwedeng
Lumipad.
malipas. So sobrang bait talaga ng employer ko talaga. Sobra talaga. Salamat ko sa kanila. Tapos may July. Ay, nakalipad na nga ako dito. Tapos ayaw pa nila ako paalisin. Kasi nga, bakit daw, ano daw gagawin ko dito dahil hindi nga daw
Ayaw ka palisin sa
Dubai.
ng
Government.
immigration?
Ng airplane, no? Ng immigration doon.
Dubai.
Ayaw papasukin ng airport. So naghihintay ako. Pero
Was it because it was strict back then? Or,
very strict pa dahil COVID.
Okay.
Pero mo isang batalyong SFC ang naghatid sa akin.
SFC, Singles for Christ.
Isang batalyon naghatid sa akin sa airport. Tapos nung nakaganon lang ako, naghihintay ako kung papapasukin ba nila ako. So sulat ako, tawag ako ng tawag, papasukin ba ako. Tapos sinabi ko, first of all, I don't have work here anymore. My visa is canceled. I don't have place here to live anymore. Sabi kong gano'n. Kasi nag-rent na lang ako ng hotel for 2 weeks bago ako pumunta rito.
Wala ka nang uuwian.
Wala na talaga. Sabi ko, anong gusto niyong gawin sa akin? So sabi niya, sige, pinayagan na ako. Pero boarding na pala. Ang laki-laki ng Dubai.
Airport.
Inawal ko yun. Sa awa ng Diyos, kapunta naman ako dito.
Business class.
Hindi, syempre, hindi. Sabi naman,
Sarili bayad mo na.
sarili ng bayad. Yun. Tapos ngayon, risky pa rin kasi nga 1 year and 3 months na lang yung open work permit ko. Tapos medyo yung OINP ko ay napaso dahil nga nag-resign ako dun sa company ko na medyo toxic. So,
ano yung OI?
Ontario Immigration OI, nominee program.
Okay.
Ayun, so yung pa rin na nilalakad ko hanggang ngayon.
Okay, we'll pray for that. And
Thank you so much.
at the right time, you will get it. Bakit nasa dulo ka ng upuan? Parang gusto mong masyadong risk.
Napunan mo ba yun?
Masyadong risk yan. Baka mahulog ka sa...
Masyado. Ayun, so yun pa rin. Tapos sumabak pa ako sa grupong ito, Doremi. Masaya naman, kahit risky, okay lang. Kasi, basta masaya ka.
Tapos you are doing the business and then something happened with your co-owner before. And then,
Hindi ako ready.
hindi yung topic natin. Hindi yung topic natin.
Okay lang.
Ang pinaka-topic is like, they joined the business. Do you consider that as a risk?
Of course it is. Siya pala yung tinatanong ko.
For
both.
me?
Yeah, for both.
Ako hindi. Kasi, ewan ko.
Kasi you trust her?
At saka, kasi hanggat makakatulong ako sa kapatid ko, o kanino man, okay ako.
Hindi,
Okay lang ako.
pero dati wala pa yung sister mo sa business eh.
Hindi,
Hindi,
si ate talaga siya.
Nauna siya, okay.
Parang dinawit lang ako. Ewan ko ba paano tayo
Okay, so
Kasi
let's talk
dapat
about...
sila lang dalawa eh.
Okay, so Cathy then, so tell us about, are you thinking, is there a risk to do business with Cathy or...
No, I think, di ba may sulat ako kay Dear Kuya Maki? Nung time na yon, desperate move eh.
Okay.
Oo. Pero I've known them about, siguro si Kat, friendship, we call each other friendship. I've known her since the kids were small. So siguro mga 7 or 8 years old sila.
So may trust na.
Oo. So we've built that trust. And then we already built the group. I already put that together since February 2023.
Okay.
So merong relationship. And then but then the struggle is that I put this up initially in the summer, July and August, but then I had to go back to work in September being a teacher.
Yes.
Off ako ng July, August, yes, naayos ko siya with another person, but then the other person decided na ayaw na niya, or
Okay.
something happened along the way. Even without telling me, I felt it.
Mhm.
He was,
Okay.
they were not in their heart is not in it
Okay.
anymore.
Okay.
Parang 2 months pa lang,
Wala
give
na.
up ka na.
Okay.
Oo, so along the way na kinausap ko na, we had a business meeting with Kathy. So ko mag-usap tayo ng business. And then right away, sabi niya open
Ora
siya.
mismo.
Oo.
Okay.
And then even then, yung offer ko was, they took it ng buong buo na ang sabi ko, ito lang yung gusto ko, someone who
Yes.
will be there pagbalik ko sa work. And then she took it, sabi niya, hindi, tayo, half tayo, sabi niya.
Okay.
No. So
she actually did more than what you expect her to.
Exactly.
do.
Sakto
Yes,
kasi
and
si
then-
ate na-diagnose siya ng cancer. So, nawalan pa siya.
So, wala siyang
Lisensya
work.
sa work.
Wala siyang work. And she was planning to go back to work. Pero sabi niya, kausapin ko lang yung asawa ko. And it is okay.
Okay.
Syempre, the decision is not mine alone.
Yeah.
And then after that, okay na kami.
Okay.
Yeah, we went back on the table. Habang nagmi-meeting,
Okay.
Michelle came.
Lagi kasi yung kasama ni ate. Kung saan man siya pumunta, kasama niya ako.
And I think also they saw the beauty in the business.
Okay.
More than anything, kasi we have the same heart.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think para
Of
sa akin,
course.
we have the same heart. Of course, everyone, it's risky. I was scared to offer it to her.
Yeah.
I wasn't even sure that she's gonna take it. Other people offered,
Yeah.
but they weren't gonna make it like this.
Yeah.
It was gonna be something.
Different.
Yeah. And I didn't want to give up that dream
Yeah.
na ito muna, diba?
Okay.
And then so when I offered it to Kathy, walang nabago.
Yeah.
And instead they enhanced it. They made it more,
Yeah.
like beautiful. But at the same time, every day for us is a risk because we don't know kung hanggang saan aabutin ang journey namin.
Correct.
Because
okay,
trial and error pa rin.
Yeah, trial and error. So, do you think there's more to risk for you to get to that point na you're happier than with the result, or like,
We're happier
Well,
now.
happy na kayo.
Yes,
Okay, good.
Happy kami. It's just that there are outside factors na
Okay.
involved na
Okay.
pag hindi kami magkakasama, like family, like, yung
Okay.
mga outside voices na,
Right.
it's, you have to do
Yeah.
this, otherwise.
There's so many.
Yes,
And you
oo,
have
but-
to. Yeah.
Mm.
Okay.
But the good thing with us is that we have a meeting na minsan business meeting, but it becomes, pork chop trio that becomes comedy. Pero ang sa amin is, walang ibang magiging masaya na outside na people, tayong tatlo lang.
Okay.
So
I like
that's always our goal na
Okay.
kailangan masaya tayong lahat.
Okay.
And so far wala namang,
Yeah.
every
Yes.
time we mention something, pare-pareho gusto namin.
Good.
So,
Good.
yeah, and it helps.
Yeah,
Yes.
well,
It's
actually,
sobrang importante yung choice of people.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oo, totoo.
Kahit na nagbre-break even kami, sometimes hindi pa kami
Minsan,
nagbre-break
oo,
even.
nagbabayad kami. Ito po, malalaman na nila. Pero, yeah.
Ganun ang business. Wala
Hindi, umpisa yun eh.
Pero
Umpisa
yes,
yun eh.
Masaya.
Yeah.
Masaya kami.
Kasama,
Kasi kami sa ginagawa
Yeah.
namin.
kasama yun. Kasama
Yes.
yun. Yeah. And like, okay, let's, outside of business, so meron tayong personal risk. Ano ba mga kasama mo sa disclaimer yan, nabubulo. Wala kayo.
May risk ba?
May risk ba?
Oh. Ako ba? Back to me. Actually, yeah.
Ikaw, ano yung mga risk na tinake mo pala?
Well, this. Sige. I have a lot of risks to talk about.
Okay.
Ito yung podcast is a big risk for me kasi I put myself in a very vulnerable spot
Yes.
and to be judged by other people,
Yes.
and
oo.
ako talaga nabubulol ako. Like this one stutter, this is the thing that keeps holding me back for many years because I've been working on myself to communicate the best way possible. Pero hindi ko talaga maalis. Yung talagang kasama sa ano ko eh. Kasama
Ikaw
sa...
na yan eh.
Yeah.
Yes, your personality.
Hindi ko na maalis eh.
Trademark mo na yan.
Kaya, I took a risk. You know what? I'm gonna do this.
Oo.
I don't care. Kung magkamali ako ng salita, kung mabubulol ako, then that's me.
Yes,
right?
exactly.
So like, that's a big risk for me. And, people will judge anyway. So
Yeah.
what?
Mhm.
At least I did what I wanted to do.
Mhm.
And mag-succeed o hindi, at least I know.
Yes.
Correct.
And
There's
nag-enjoy
no
ako.
regrets, No regrets.
Right. And yun yung isa kong pinaka-risk. And then my super duper extreme biggest risk is the coming out. It's the coming out as a gay man. Kasi super ano yun parang super taboo and then super, you don't know what's the
Sa
reaction of
country
your,
natin.
sa Pilipinas. And I myself growing up part of the church community, Kids for Christ, Youth for Christ, Singles for Christ. Diyos ko po, parang isang malaking leap of faith talaga na magsabi na who am I? And and still a big question mark, but you have to like live kung sino ka, but don't live someone else's life or expectation. Yun yung big risk ko.
This episode is brought to you by Enagic Kangen Alkaline Water. Change your water, change your life. For more information, tawagin niyo lang po ang aking mama na si Digna Micalier 0933-812-7816 or 0906-004-6008.
And I think there's more risk to come in the future.
Yes, of course.
Kayo ba, meron pa kayong mga future?
Risk?
Yeah.
Parang ayoko na. Ayoko na.
Ako
Wait,
ba pa ako sa risk ko ngayon? So next year.
Wag mo na sabihin kasi I would like to, it's much nicer to keep your plans to yourself.
Yeah.
But I want you to answer like what it takes or what do you need to get to that risk or to do those risks.
To surpass the risk.
Yes. Walang masagot.
Parang
Lakas ng
ito
loob
ba?
or
Oo.
is it lakas ng loob or kailangan mo ba ng support from other people or does it involve financially or does it involve more of personal courage?
Ako personally, meron pa akong gustong gawin, but it's
Don't
not,
say it pero
not for me, but for other people.
okay.
For other people, ay service siya. Oo, yun,
Okay.
yun, meron pa rin akong gustong gawin. So, yun yung risk na hindi ko pa alam kung gagawin ko o hindi. But not for me, but for other people.
What's holding you back?
Well, meron na ito, di ba? So, this one is not making money yet. So, hindi pa na-return investment. That one. And then, of course, yung outside voices. ng
Okay.
Asawa ko,
Okay.
mostly asawa ko.
Nasabi na.
Pero kasi siya yung,
Yeah.
siya talaga yung,
Siyempre,
siya
kailangan
yung,
may
sila yung
critic eh.
affected
Yeah.
kapag may nangyari na
Yeah.
within the family,
Yeah.
sila yung directly affected.
Yeah.
So, yun yung nag-hold back sa akin.
Yeah.
Pero I feel like, pag ginawa ko, at least yun, like you, wala akong regrets.
Yes.
Kasi I was
You
able
tried.
to do it. Kasi anong tawag din yung
Aggressive.
jack,
Jack of all trades, master of nothing.
Master of nothing. Ganun ako I don't stick to anything.
So you're a jack of all trades. Ako din eh.
Oo.
Parang
so-
sinabi
Jack
ni
of all
Ate
trades.
Ite sa'yo, di ba?
Oo,
Appear
sabi,
daw.
nung birthday ko, sabi ni Ite, tingnan natin kung hanggang kailan yun, di ba?
Magaling magsimula.
Yeah.
Magaling sa simula.
Ako din eh. I mean,
Yeah, magaling sa simula
Yeah.
and then maya-maya wala na.
yeah,
But
yeah.
so far, okay naman.
Yeah.
2 taon. Well, you know what? I started in 2020, di
Yeah.
ba? Oo. Tapos nakita ko yung, and itong business na to, it's not for us to make big bucks. Hindi.
Yeah.
Para sa amin, yung merong konti.
Yeah.
Merong
Correct.
konti. Yung
Stable
lang,
income
Yes.
and
oo.
then
May side.
it keeps you happy.
Yes.
It fills up your heart, not
Mm.
your pocket financially.
Yes. And the
Yeah.
happiness comes not within, but from what we
Other
see
people,
sa
yeah.
other, yung
Yeah.
mga tao.
It's more like of a service,
Yes.
like to community.
Correct.
But still
Yeah.
make it sustainable na hindi mamamatay. Like
Oh.
we want to prolong that fun and
Yeah.
enjoyment and the experience.
Yeah.
And what I like about here, you're doing karaoke challenge as well. It's like you're growing the community.
Yes.
Yeah, so mga singers, I love it. I love it. Like it's
At
beyond.
Marami
It's beyond.
pang
Yeah.
kaming iisip na gagawing pakulo.
Yeah.
that
I heard may
picture.
mga do-it challenge.
Oh, yes.
Naging sinasabi ang doble cara. Risk yun. Risk
Okay.
yun.
Well, just want to say something. Ano yung sa sinabi mo, yung nag-stutter ka. Sorry, kailangan ko sabihin. Na yung personality mo outshines your yung insecurity.
Oh.
Signature mo na yan.
Napaka-photogenic mo, napaka-telegenic mo. Papapapi ka nga, di ba? So,
Thank you.
so you're made for this, I think.
Oo.
And thank you that you're doing this. A lot of people, you're making a lot of people happy. Coming from someone na gusto rin mag-service sa mga mga tao, you know, very appreciate.
Because I like this, what I'm doing right now, like these projects, is I want to serve people. I want to share stories and also support entrepreneurs, like small business, you know, people. And I like it. I like the idea of it. And thank you for recognizing that.
Ikaw naman.
Ikaw
Ano
naman,
sa
future risk. Anong kailangan mo? Don't mention the plan.
Well,
but
actually,
Personal.
kasi nandito na to, ito na yung risk na to di ba? So, ang mindset ko na lang ay i-accept kung ano man yung plano sa akin ng Diyos.
is it about love life or business or career or being in Canada?
Yung status.
Status, okay.
Yun
Okay.
yung pinaka-main ko
Right,
ngayon.
right. O baka mag-fiancé ka na lang para take
Ay,
a big risk.
Yes.
Take a big risk.
Well, sinusunod ka naman yung payo nyo.
Ayan. Gusto mo ba i-promote
Wag! Saka na mag-successful na
ang
siya.
dating app mo? Okay, let's just keep it secretly and then it will, you know, it will be fruitful. Nakailan na ba tayo? Mahaba na ba?
Oh, mahaba. Sobrang haba ngayon. Alam ko yun talaga.
Hindi,
Oh my
gusto kong
God.
gawin.
Wala pa.
Burning dream. Pwede ko i-share, pero kung next time na lang.
Yeah.
Next time na lang.
Whatever it is. I mean, ako yung mga, it's always nice to keep it to yourself, whatever your plan
yeah.
is.
Kasi baka ano.
Yeah. Mausod, di ba? Yeah. Ako, meron pa ba akong mga big risk to do? Well, physically or whatever, I wanna do jump up skydiving.
Ay, takot ako dyan.
It's a fun risk for me, and I want to do it before, you know, we're not getting younger, and I think I'm still able to do it. Then I want to do it, and then but Ryan, my partner, is so scared. I mean, people die from it.
Yeah, it's true.
Yeah, meron.
So kung tegi, edi tegi.
Oo.
Pero one of my favorite dreams, like yung natutulog talaga, several times na napapanaginipan is I am flying.
Wow, uy,
Yeah.
magandang meaning.
Yeah,
yan.
favorite ko kasi nung bata, I played the role of Peter Pan sa school. And I like the idea of Peter Pan, just like flying freely and having fun in the air. So I like aerial experience. So that's
Have you
one.
tried yung iFly?
Huh?
iFly?
Parang naman hindi risk yun eh.
Hindi nga.
Yeah, no, it's true.
Try mo lang
Hinahangin.
dyan. Try
I
mo
mean,
lang.
for fun lang. Oo.
Yeah,
Tapos,
yeah.
pag medyo, na,
Pwede
sabi ko,
na.
ganito pala
Well,
yun.
nakapag bungee jumping na ako sa Ottawa, sa Quebec.
Ayoko.
Quebec.
Ako rin.
It was
Kahit
so
very
good.
sweet pa lang, takot na ako.
Yung mga water slides, I
Never.
Yeah.
Ayaw.
Bungee jumping, oh my God, that's so scary. And it's like, it's the highest bungee jumping in Canada. Like, maybe I should share that video. Pero nakakaya yung tili ko eh. Parang bumigay eh.
Sabi mo naman Instagram.
Nasa Instagram ko yung sinare ko, pero that was, is it just after COVID? I think so, yeah. It's just after COVID, ginawa ko siya. Nakakaya yung tili ko, as in, iba.
Sige, next time, share natin. Share
Biggest lesson about risk.
Keep the faith.
Keep the faith. Because,
Ikaw muna, sige.
Kasi, naniniwala ako na everything happens for a reason. So, kung ano man yung ginawa mo, may something, nakaplano yun eh.
Okay.
Pabayaan.
pag sinabing keep the faith, walang plan B. Plan A lang. Is that what you mean? Kailangan maniwala ka dun sa gusto mo.
Oh, maniwala ka sa gusto mo, pero syempre, may plan
Plan B pa rin.
Pero syempre, kailangan focus lang doon.
Sa isa. Okay.
Whatever happens, at least.
Okay, keep the faith. I like that. Very, very good words. Ikaw,
Ako,
one,
2 words.
Okay,
No
2 words.
regrets.
no regrets.
Isa
No
pa yan,
regrets.
isa
I
pa
love
yan.
that.
Yeah.
I love that.
No regrets.
Yeah, at least,
Correct.
I did it no matter what happens.
Correct.
Marami ako nakilala, marami ako na-touch na people,
Mhm.
at marami rin na-touch sa akin. So,
Mhm.
that's it. No regrets.
Mhm.
I know. Kaya Jack of all trades, di ba? Kasi kailangan ko ito gawin, kailangan ko ito gawin,
Puro
kailangan ko ito
simula.
gawin. Oo.
Oh, ako din. Like, at least, the good thing about Jack of all trades, you can do a lot of things and you experience different things in life. So, mas makulay ang
May a
buhay.
little bit of something.
Yeah. So, faith and then regrets.
No regrets.
Ako, siguro, lesson ko for risk is, you only have one life. Grabe
Why
ka
not
kaya.
take?
Yeah, parang, you only live once.
YOLO!
Yeah, YOLO talaga. YOLO talaga. So, taking a risk makes you really experience life itself. Parang, you'll never know until you try.
Tama.
Yeah. Give it a try.
Pero yung pag-bungee jumping, hindi. Kahit mamatay na ako, hindi ko talaga gagawin.
Hindi mo talaga.
Hindi.
Basta
Tumawid lang
ako.
ako ng lubid. Okay na yun. Pero yung
Ayoko na
no?
Yeah.
Oh my gulay.
Okay.
And then, dahil birthday mo.
Dahil birthday ko,
So,
Birthday mo.
mga
risk yun.
mga reflections mo. Biglang nag-interview. Sige na, halimbawa, may nakaharap na mirror sa'yo, ano sasabihin mo sa kanya?
You are beautiful.
Kung wari nakikita mo yung
No
sarili mo.
matter what you
Diba,
say.
naging boy abunda tayo.
Bila mo na speechless.
Kasi birthday mo eh. So, this is your birthday.
Ayoko umiyak. Ano ba?
Oh,
It's okay.
Iwan mo kita ng
Kasi,
tissue.
iyak tayong tatlo.
Iyakin ako minsan pag sa kotse, bigla lang ako maiiyak. Like,
Wow.
like reflection and stuff. Pero ayoko umiyak sa camera kasi I'm an ugly crier.
Talaga, parang.
Buhog lahat.
Oh.
Ako, sabi ko sa sarili ko, thank you for giving yourself a chance sa mga gusto mong gawin sa
Ayan,
buhay.
naiiyak ko na siya.
Di ba? Oh, thank you. So,
Yeah.
salamatan mo yung sarili
Tama.
mo for forgiving yourself.
A chance to do things
That should-
kahit hindi mo alam, you know.
Tama.
Thank you. Kasi like, I went to that depression and like, you wanna end your life those days. I wanna
Yeah.
talk about that in the
That time.
future. Pero thank you for, giving yourself a chance to live, to enjoy, to try different things, no matter what.
Mm.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because, if you didn't take that chance, then di mo kami mamimit.
Exactly.
Mm.
Exactly.
Hindi namin mamimit.
This camera, the Fujifilm X camera.
Thank you, Fujifilm.
Yeah.
If it is not
That's-
for you, we're not gonna.
That's a big risk. Like,
Oh, yeah.
it's an expensive camera. It's not the most expensive, but it costs a vacation. Like, and the lens and everything. It's a big risk kasi wala naman akong plan na gawin siyang business for events or whatever. Pero I took a big risk last year. That's my birthday gift from myself. Mamahalin siya, pero hindi ko alam, parang nanghihinayin ako sa pera. But I just want to experience a full manual camera to take pictures of people. And if I did not take that risk, I would not post sa Facebook. Like, we're not gonna sit here. We'll not
Yes.
be here right in this special moment.
At kung hindi
Diba?
dahil kay Gina, lagi siyang nasa social media. Kasi
Because
kung
I was
kami lang
just-
dalawa na ate ko, hindi ka na makikita.
So, risk din yun. Mamaya sa
Oo.
camera ko eh.
Correct. Siya, Ontario ka rin, we like to join. Okay.
Oo, lahat
Ganun
sabi ko
lang
sa'yo,
yan
ganun
siya,
ako eh.
siya eh.
I wanna do that, I wanna do that.
Oo.
Right? So, anyway, so it's in all God's plan. Diba?
Yes.
Lahat tayo, when we met each other, we were all coming sa bottom, nasa pit. Diba? Na, ano kaya na mangyayari bukas, diba?
Aha.
So, nung nakita-kita tayo, there's a plan. God has a plan for us.
Yes.
Yeah. Kaya nangyari yon. And we're all good people. Na wala
Yes.
tayong gustong gawin kung hindi lang magpasaya ng
Tao.
So,
Yes.
and yeah.
Okay.
Lang.
Meron pa bang last words?
Thank you
Any
so
last
much.
words?
Yun,
you so
thank you. Thank you so
Thank
much
you.
sa pag-interview mo sa amin.
Aha.
Siyempre, nami-miss namin si Pork Chop too.
Yeah.
And sana
Magaling ka, ate.
Yeah.
we'll wait for her to get
Sinabi
better.
ko na may sakit si ate.
Ay, patay.
Ba't bawal ba?
Kasi pag ganun palagi nangyayari, may litanya kami
Nag-aalala.
nare-receive sa nanay
Nag-aalala
namin.
sila.
Oh no.
Ang dami haba.
Flu lang naman. It's
Okay
only a
lang.
lang
flu.
po.
It happens. Oh.
Flu lang po kasi ayaw lang niya makahawa.
Correct.
That's
Yes,
it.
she's okay. She's okay.
She's perfectly fine. Yeah. Flu lang yan.
Tatay pa naman eh. Lagi
Nako.
nakasabay-bay sa'yo.
Oo nga eh.
Si tatay
Oo.
lagi.
Tay, maraming
Unang
salamat
liker,
po.
ano nangyayari sa tatay ko?
Very
Marami siyang,
supportive.
baka 5,000 ng friends ni tatay, pakishare.
Sige,
Oo.
pakishare.
Okay, last words? Anything
Ayun,
before we
Happy
end this?
birthday,
Happy
Maki.
birthday.
Salamat na maraming salamat. I did not expect what you did to me, like the singing, and it's
Buksan
more.
mo yung gift. Pwede niyo
Ano,
buksan.
buksan na ba yung
Buksan mo
gift?
kaya ngayon?
Now? O sige, buksan
Sige,
natin.
may gift kami sa'yo.
Okay, baka maiyak ako.
Ibigay ko sa'yo.
Tissue. Pati ba yung sulat? Card?
Oo, syempre.
Ayun yung
Wala
card.
namang, wala namang
Oh my
message
God.
card.
But
Because the
bakit
card
may
itself-
tissue?
Eh,
Iyak ba ako?
iyak ka na naman eh.
Unahin ko ba yung card o yung gift? Gift
Ano
muna.
ba?
Kasi I keep cards.
ako.
I keep cards.
talaga?
I keep cards like, basta I keep cards.
Okay. Ano, hinahang mo ba yun?
Hindi. Basta tinatago ko
Si
lang.
ate rin mo.
Feeling ko, ang sabi ko kay Ryan, pag namatay ako, gusto ko yung card kasama ko.
Oo. Ako gusto ko
Or
dati
pag
yung,
minimate ako.
ang shape ng coffin ko yung ukulele.
Ukulele.
Ngayon,
Para mabahalin.
Kailangan makapagplano na lang ako sa akin.
Okay, this is my gift.
Okay.
Buksan ko talaga siya sa camera.
andyan
Oh my
yung-
God.
Kasi gawain mo yan eh. So,
Ano
para
to?
sa'yo talaga yan.
But may parcel pa.
Kinuha ko sa office yan.
Umbra. Umbra? Ano ba ito? Furniture? Teka lang, ano ba ito una?
Wala, kinuha ko
Under
lang yan sa box
Armour.
namin.
Naging umbra. Oh, ano to? Ano to?
Ay, sa birthday ko.
Mother's
Mother's Day.
Okay, pabugasin.
Oo.
Magagamit ko ba to?
Yes, you will.
sabi
You know,
ko
I
yung
like
mga
this.
ano.
May ganito ako eh.
Sige,
Kasi
sige.
pag tapos na,
Marami
ko
ba
na siya,
kayong
dry
ganyan?
na.
Oh, meron kami meron akong drying alam mo tagahugas ako.
Oo, sabi mo, di ba?
Sige.
Ito, tagahugas. So, buksan mo yung isa.
Magagamit.
Isa.
Ito gusto ko to.
Oo. Ayun, sabit
Sige.
mo yung ano mo dyan.
Yung ano.
Tapos
Yeah,
ihahang mo na
pinggan,
lang
Mga
ito.
ganun.
Sige.
Pag na-empty mo na, hang up mo to, tuyo na siya.
Sige.
Oh,
Thank
yung
you so
pala
much.
yun.
Meron pa.
Maganda yung TikTok.
Ano to?
Kasi binigyan ko rin si ate niyan eh.
Sabi ko kanina magregalo kasi yung sulat nyo is more than enough.
Hindi ako marunong
Mga love
magsulat.
letters.
Ay,
Ang haba ng sulat.
Sila
Haba kaya
yung
ng sulat.
mag-isim nun si Kat at saka si...
Ang haba ng sulat mo.
Kumain kami.
So bumuo ka,
Aha.
naggawa sila ng group na hindi ka kasali sa PPP lahat. Tapos as a birthday gift from Mac, sila tayo sa kanya.
Oh, that's very nice. That's more than enough. Ano ba to?
Dahil dishwasher
Ano ba
ito
to?
nga sa inyo.
Unboxing. Naging unboxing yung interview natin. Magkita tayo sa TV.
Dishwasher
Ano
ka
to?
May kasama di ang ganda.
Ano gusto mo niyan?
Oo,
Bibigyan kita
Mother's
niya.
Day.
Bibili ulit ako.
Alam mo kasi nilata ako ang tagahugas sa bahay. Si partner ng tagaluto, ako tagahugas.
Cute,
Well,
di
I
ba?
like this.
Oo, pauna-
Actually, bibili dapat ako nito eh. Kasi
Kita mo, mayroon ka ng free.
naubos na yung supply ko.
Oo.
Pang kiss-kiss.
Lagyan mo na lang ng sabon.
Matutuwa si ano niyan.
Sige,
Si
gusto ko
Ryan.
to.
Bibili pa nga sa lahat ng sabon kaso wala na ako tayo.
Magagamit ko talaga to.
Yun na lang
Magagamit
natin
ko.
meron doon.
Sige, salamat na marami. So, ako po ay dishwasher.
Ang dishwasher sa
Ang human
Yeah.
dishwasher.
Sige, magkita tayo dyan. Ito na, sulat.
Pero hindi
Ito talaga nagugustuhan ko
personal
first.
na sulat. But the
Masyado ka
card,
pala
the card
sentimental.
itself, ay ano.
May cash ba to?
Wala
Tingnan mo.
eh.
May Amazon. Ano ba yan?
Kasi pang dagdag mo sa mga
Pang
gadgets
shopping,
mo.
ano ba yan?
Oo, yan na. Ano.
Ah.
Tapos walang personal.
This, I will buy something special that I will keep for the rest of my life.
Okay, the rest
That's
of
the
your
goal.
life. Ano kaya yun?
Oh, $50. Oh, mayaman.
Ano yan, naman?
Ano ba?
500 yan.
500 pala. Ano ba? This is very nice.
Yes.
Well, thank you so much.
I wanted to get you something from
Ayan.
Henry's ba yun, yung camera, ano?
No, mahalin dun eh. Mas gusto ko
I
to.
wanted that. Kaya lang wala, hindi siya available. Kailangan ko pumunta sa Henry's.
Na gift card. Ah.
But, you know, they
I
have...
never buy something from Henry's.
Ah, okay.
Ah.
Yung bag lang actually, bag.
Oh, they have nice
Bags.
bags.
Okay. Thank you so
sorry,
much.
Uy,
walang
sobrang
time
special.
na,
Don't be
tong ano
sorry.
na to,
Pero
ah.
read the
I will.
message para
Yeah.
sa'yo yan.
Dearest Mackie, there's nobody quite like you.
Ow.
Siyempre ako lang to, ano ba? You're not afraid to be yourself and follow your own heart in so many amazing ways. You're one of a kind and and you're wished a birthday that's one of a kind too. The Pork Chop Trio. Love, Kathy. Love, Glenda, Kathy, and Michelle.
Oh, yes!
Thank you
Happy
so
birthday.
much.
Oo nga, birthday podcast mo pala.
Yeah,
ito.
48 minutes is a special episode. So,
Yay!
yeah. I decided
Sana
there's no
last one.
limit sa podcast. Maximum 1 hour. Kapag sobrang haba, then episode, cut natin for our next episode.
Okay.
Tapos share natin, keep sharing the word para dumami yung
Yes.
subscriber ni
Yes.
Mac.
Correct.
Yes.
Para,
Yeah, shout out sa lahat ng mga nagko-comment na may message sa akin. Hindi ko po nare-replyan masyado dahil ang daming ganap sa buhay at napakarami yung suggestions which I really, truly appreciate. Okay,
yay!
that's it for this episode. Maraming salamat. I want to give a big hug for...
I love you.
Love you
We
too.
love you.
Happy birthday.
Thank you
Happy
so
birthday.
much. Guys, like, follow, subscribe if you have a story to tell. You know what to do. Just email me at hello.riomaki@gmail.com. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share and spread this projects and future podcasts para marami tayong storya na may share sa lahat. Okay, sending you some love, joy, and peace. Bye!
Hi, mic check.
Wala pa.
Ha?
Hindi, naririnig niya.
Sanay ako na may
Nag-expect may
monitor.
speaker.
No person.
Mic check.